Friends, we may be very good performers individually, but if we are unable to give the same performance in a team, our success is not true success. In fact, in a team, we should be able to perform even better because a team is a group of people having a common goal. And when we say group of people, it naturally signifies that there is difference of opinions, likings, dislikings, sentiments, feelings, etc. And in spite of all those differences and disparities, they share a common goal. And when a team works together, it is called teamwork. And teamwork is a collaborative effort of interdependent individuals to attain the common goal. Here, two things are very important. One is collaborative effort, and the other is interdependent individuals. Collaborative effort means that every single individual in a team has to give certain inputs, has to give certain resources, and needs to contribute for the success of the team. And the individuals, they are interdependent. The success and performance of each individual depends upon the another individual, and the success and performance of the whole team depends on each and every individual. Now, to understand team and teamwork, let us take example of geese. These birds, they fly very long distances and they keep on flapping their wings throughout their journey. Now, this continuous flapping of wings gives an upliftment to the bird that follows. So, in this way, they keep on supporting and uplifting each bird. And they fly in a V formation. And this V formation is not just a coincidence or it is by chance, or that sometimes they fly in a straight line or sometimes in a square or circle. No, every time they fly in a V formation, and this formation is a strategic formation. It helps to increase their flight efficiency by 71%. And when they fly, they all are heading towards the same direction. It is not that some birds are flying in the east, some in the west, some in the south, and some in the north. No, they all are heading towards the same direction, and so they reach the destination quicker and easier. While flying, they keep on making a honking sound, a consistent sound which helps them to maintain their speed, and it is also a means of communication for them, and they keep on encouraging and motivating the other birds. And these birds also show care and respect and love for each other. Whenever any bird gets injured or is sick and has to rest and it wants to go back to the ground to heal itself, it is not left alone. A couple of birds, they accompany that bird and stays with that bird on the ground until it either dies or is well, and then they return to the same team or some other team. But if any bird, it feels that I just want to leave the team, I don't want to fly in this formation, I can fly alone. I am so much strong, I can fly in isolation, and it leaves the formation. In that case, it feels very difficulty in flying, and it is forced to return to the same formation or some other formation. And these birds also show a kind of situational leadership, which is very beautiful thing. The bird which is in the front has to face the maximum resistance of air, and when it gets tired, it exchanges its position with some other bird. Some other bird comes and replaces that bird. This way they keep on changing the leadership, and every bird gets a chance to relax, as well every bird gets a chance to lead. So my friends, did you see how much these birds tell us about team and teamwork? How to uplift and support others, how to make a strategy, how to be sharing the same destination, encouraging others, communicating with others, and giving their best in the team, changing the leadership whenever required. So, my friends, we should be able to perform equally, individually, and in the team, because team is like a family. It gives a support to us. So whenever you see these birds in the sky, just look towards them, admire them, learn from them, and also you can say thank you birds. Thank you friends.